Do you see what I see? I think that's the end of the trail up there at the top. Remember, GoPros flatten everything out. Ah, you bitch. That's scratch. That's a pinstripe. But the good thing is, it's quiet. And I've only, let's see, did I see one car? One guy? No, I saw a guy walking, hiking the trekking poles. Okay, so the road right along the lake over there, that's US 40, that's Deer Creek. And I got some cool mountain views here. Alright, so check this out. I've seen them do it before at the campgrounds, and I can tell you what's going on here. This is millennials trying to start a fire. They buy some wood at the gas station. They don't know how, they don't have a knife, or they don't know how to make kindling to start the fire. They tried using some eggs and a water bottle. Nothing in the grass. They didn't even pick up kindlings or dead grass or stuff off the trees. Bless their heart. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're just gonna have to do it. I wish I had aired down. Okay, let's go for low actually. Okay. Alright, so it's still not as smoky as it's been in the last week. Not as clear as it was when the wind was out of the north. But that's smoke from Arizona. Grand Canyon fires. Right down there, that's the Heber Municipal Airport. And I got the Raptor parked at 14 degrees. I want to get a picture of that view. But this is kind of how the road is, as you've seen. Okay. I had the GoPro on ice in the cooler to cool it down. But I think this is going to be that steep, rocky, loose rock place that I went for low to get up here. Yeah, this is. So let's see, right now I'm at 14 degrees and 3 degrees off Kaka. Right there, 17. I'm gonna get my ass up in the air. 21. What degree do you want? I can find it. I can get it for you. Cool view looking down Main Street too. I like that. I'll have to look up in the mountain next time I come that way and see if I can see where I am right now, which will be where I was when I'm there then. I'd be comfortable to say that a two-wheel drive truck is not getting up that. Unless you really lower your tires down to 10 and you're an experienced driver, in multiple attempts you'll probably get it. See, 13 degrees forward, 2 degrees sideways.